Ala, agbanog ko. Ala, mahal mo to kayo pa nito.
Now these birds are commonly found on
Si Mulawin.
lakes
Si
and
Jeannie.
coastal areas.
Jeannie! Tuwara si Jeannie.
So kung meron siya dito guys, siya ang iconic bird sa TV show, Pura Kim, ang Mulawin. And there we go, that's it for our Gravity Bites. Now up next, let's call it our Philippine Serpent Eagle ready.
Philippine Eagle dito siya, ting. Mulawin. Ah, Philippine Eagle.
Is endemic in the
Nara.
major islands of the Philippines. Now these birds are usually found on open woodlands and forests. Now they're distinguishable from other species of eagles by narrow defined spots on their bodies and wings. So you know what? These birds recommend to feast on mice, reptiles, and snakes. Now get your cameras ready as Freddy will fly across. And there we go. That's it for our Philippine Serpent Eagle ready. So just a fun fact